Hello everyone. In this video, we will be discussing about oncogenic microbes and also about the tumor markers. So first coming to oncogenic microbes. Basically, viruses are involved. So what are the DNA viruses? HPV, that is human papilloma virus, EBV virus and hepatitis B virus. These all are DNA virus. While RNA virus are Helicobacter pylori, HTLV1 and Hep C. Helicobacter pylori, HTLV1 and Hep C are RNA, Hep B and HPV and EBV. These are linked with the DNA viruses. Then what are the diseases caused by EBV? EBV causes post-organ transplant, plasmablastic lymphoma, lymphatoid granulomatosis, and Burkitt's lymphoma, Hodgkin's lymphoma. Hodgkin lymphoma except nodular sclerosis and lymphocyte predominant. Then nasopharyngeal carcinoma and primary CNS lymphoma. So many things are linked with this: Burkitt's, Hodgkin's, nasopharyngeal, primary CNS, lymphatoid, granulomatosis, plasmablastic. Then we have HBV, HCV. This is linked with hepatocellular and lymphoplasmacytic. Lymphotoid was in EBV, while lymphoplasmacytic. This is in HBV and HCV. Then we have HHV8. HHV8 is linked with Kaposi sarcoma and primary effusion lymphoma, and it is also linked with multicentric Castleman disease. Kaposi sarcoma, primary effusion lymphoma, and multicentric Castleman disease. Then HPV 1618. These are linked with the orogenital. So oropharyngeal carcinoma will linked. Nasopharyngeal with EBV. Oropharyngeal is with HPV. Then we have cervical and penile and anal carcinomas and head and neck carcinomas. In the head and neck, oropharyngeal likely. Then H. pylori. H. pylori is linked with the gastric adenocarcinoma. H. pylori is a risk factor for adenocarcinoma and malt lymphoma. Then we have HTLV. HTLV is adult T cell leukemia or lymphoma. Liver fluclonosis is linked with the cholangiocarcinoma, schistosoma hematobium with the bladder carcinoma, and Merkel cell with the Merkel cell carcinoma. So, EBV, we have done HBV, HCV, HHV8, HPV, H. pylori, HTLV1, liver fluke, schistosoma, and Merkel cell polyoma. These are the microbes that are linked with different carcinomas. Now coming to the serum tumor markers. So, alkaline phosphatase. Alkaline phosphatase is seen in Paget's disease and seminoma. Then is alpha fetoprotein, AFP. This is seen in hepatocellular carcinoma, yolk sac tumor, that is endomal sinus tumor, ataxia telangiectasia, neural tube defects, and abdominal wall defects. So, AFP is seen in five things: hepatocellular, yolk sac, then neural tube defects, ataxia telangiectasia, and abdominal wall defects. And AFP is decreased in Down's syndrome. Then we have HCG. HCG is in H. mole and choriocarcinoma. It is produced by syncytial trophoblast. Then we have CA markers. Okay, 15, 3 and 27, 29. This is with the breast. 19, 9 is with the pancreas. If we invert the 9, it will look like P. So 19, 9 is with pancreas and 125 is with the ovarian cancers. Then we have calcitonin. Calcitonin is linked with medullary thyroid carcinoma. We had papillary follicular, and after follicular comes medullary thyroid carcinoma. Medullary thyroid carcinoma is from parafollicular C cells, so it is linked with the calcitonin. Then we have carcinoembryonic antigen. It is non-specific. Then chromogranin. This is with the neuroendocrine tumors. LDH. LDH is with the germ cell tumors. Endodermal sinus tumors and yolk sac, it was AFP. In the seminoma, it was PLAP. In the dysgerminoma or germ cell, it is LDH. Then is neuron specific enolase. It is also in the neuroendocrine tumors. So neuroendocrine tumors, we have chromogranin, NSC, then PSA. PSA is linked to prostate cancer. Then we have another list: epithelial membrane antigen and desmosomes linked with carcinoma. Leukocyte common antigen, that is CD45, is linked with lymphoma and thymoma. LeuM1 is Hodgkin's. Carl-retinin mesothelin is with the mesothelioma. Retinin, that is reticular fibers. Mesothelin, it is linked with mesothelioma. The neuroendocrine tumors, we have chromogranin, synaptophysin, NSC, and secretory granules. So if anything is mentioned from these 4 5 things, Then it is neuroendocrine tumor. Chromogranin, synaptophysin, NSC, secretory granules, and S100. S100 is linked with the neuroendocrine tumor. Melanoma is also derived from neuroendocrine tissue. So melanoma is linked with S100. Pre-melanosome with the melanoma. HMB45 also with the melanoma, and HMB45 is also seen in angiomyolipoma. Then CD1A Langerhans cell, CD117 GIST and seminoma, CD99 and MYC2 granulosa and Ewing cell, then actin, myosin, myoglobulin, myogenin, myod 1 desmin. These all are linked with rhabdomyosarcoma, thyroglobulin with thyroid carcinoma, progesterone, estrogen with breast, Uro3 and thrombomodulin. Uro means urine and urine is in bladder. So Uro3 and thrombomodulin. These are linked with the bladder cancer. Placental alkaline phosphatase germ cell tumor. We have already seen PLAP. It is in seminoma. Then inhibin is in granulosa cell. So what we need to remember, yolk sac is AFP, seminoma is PLAP, LDH dysgerminoma, and granulosa cell inhibin. These four things we need to remember. Then WT1 Wilms thyroid transcription factor, lung adenocarcinoma and carcinoma thyroid. Factor 8. Factor 8 is linked with the blood, so it will link with the blood vessels, that is angiosarcoma and Kaposi sarcoma. Then next we have cytokeratin. Desmin is for muscles, GFAP is for neuroglia, neurofilaments is for neurons, S100. S100 is neural crest cells, so it will be positive in melanoma, in schwannoma, and in Langerhans cell. TRAP is in hairy cell and vimentin is in mesenchymal cell. Laminin is in nuclear lamina. So once again, we will be revising the tumor markers. Alkaline phosphatase, Paget disease, seminoma, AFP, hepatocellular, neural tube ataxia, telangiectasia, and abdominal wall defects, HCG, hereditary form mole and choriocarcinoma, 15, 3, 27, 29 breast, 19, 9 pancreatic, 125 ovarian, calcitonin, medullary thyroid, CEA, non-specific, chromogranin, NSC, these are neuroendocrine, LDH with the dysgerminoma, then epithelial and desmosomes with the carcinoma, leukocyte common antigen, lymphoma, thymoma, LeuM1 Hodgkin's, carlatin, mesothelin, mesothelioma, then S100, pre-melanosome, HMB45 with the melanoma, and HMB45 is also seen in angiomyolipoma. 1A Langerhans cell, 117 GIST and seminoma, 99 MYC2, Ewing's and granulosa, actin, myosin, myoglobin, myogenin, myod1 desmin, rhabdomyosarcoma, thyroglobulin, thyroid cancer, Uro3 thrombomodulin, bladder, placental alkaline seminoma, inhibin granulosa, WT1 Wilms, thyroid transcription, lung and carcinoma, thyroid factor 8, angio and Kaposi. In cytokeratin, desmin, GFAP, neurofilaments, melanoma, schwannoma, Langerhans, histiocytosis, hairy cell leukemia. So all these are intermediate filaments which we have studied, that is seen in the tumor markers. So I hope it will be helpful for you to remember now the tumor markers in the different carcinomas. So if you like my content, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.